good, guys? Welcome back to a brand new YouTube video. We're here at Roman Empire Gym here in Houston. Bro, I've never been here. The only gyms I've been to while I've been here in Houston like the past year and some change are Corrupted and Alphaland. I never like ventured outside to like just see what's good over here, but bro, this place looks fucking crazy. Like the lighting, just the facility in general, it's insane. But we got deadlifts today. Hopped straight into it. Got a fresh cut, feeling good. Got a singlet on. See what the fuck's good. It's like a deload week, kind of. Body's kind of beat up, I'm not gonna lie to you. But bro, I'm just like looking at how crazy this gym looks. Like really get a good look of like the way this place looks. The light bars right there, like it's just so crazy. But I'm excited. Feel good, feel fueled. I'm gonna go release my bowels real quick and then we're gonna get straight to it.
It's a beautiful facility, a huge gym. It's like a huge warehouse. I would say I'm gonna
shout out 3D, man. I've been sipping this shit for a minute. Crazy. This is the lounge area right over here.
Spot, bro. I'm telling you, it's like the best fucking. So this is pretty chill. I actually never seen anyone working here.
Ain't no way. They got the ASMR brain up there.
Well, look, they got these leg things. I know Powerbuild has these shits, bro.
Yeah, I actually haven't used my Powerbuild.
Really?
No, I haven't been in that room yet.
Them bitches work, bro. I'm telling you.
They got a little sauna too. Oh shit, someone's in there. Nah, this place is dope, bro.
It's got everything that you need.
Yeah, what else could you even ask for? I feel like they got anything you would ever want.
I think
the vibe in here is right too. Like refresh and recover. Got a little sauna, a little group sauna in case you want to get freaky in there. Yeah, bro. This place is dope. It's out the way, you know, so like definitely wouldn't be the main spot if we're going to Corrupted by any means. And obviously, like you guys already know, like OGs or Corrupted's like, you know, that's where the real ones are at. That's the real stomping grounds down here, relative to anywhere else. But this place is smooth, man. I would definitely pull up here again. This is my first time here as well. I'm just excited to get straight to work, bro. Like, we're gonna see. Like, whenever you go to a new gym for the first time, you know that feeling of like just pulling something crazy or just lifting heavy in a brand new gym for the first time ever. Like, I feel like something's coming. We're gonna see this. Y'all ever seen these, but better deadlift socks. Sample. This is from the toe. Sample on the body. Crazy. Okay, so we hit 661 and it felt nice and bad. So we're like, all right, we can stop right there or we can go up 10 keys to 683 and then just call it after that. And then I just like hit 683 with like no headphones, no hype, no nothing. And then it like felt better than the 300. And then we were like, wait, we can probably still take 705 at 7, which was the original plan all along. So yeah, we want to like just build the baseline, you know, like Jamal has talked about it before, talked a lot about it with Joe, just like getting the body used to taking a heavier weight is gonna be like to the point where like you can hit it one day, like smoke it super fast, and then you're like, wait, I'm good for like another red. You know what I'm saying? So we're trying to just like hit 705 and get used to taking 705. And unless we really need it, we can take later. But I mean, 705 should move there at the speed we need. So let's get it. even repeat what Joe Weed just said to me, but I was bitching about wanting to. Okay, so 705, like that moved fine, like, that was chill, but be able to get 3x4, like sets of 4, and I was like, I just want to throw on straps. He's like, nah, don't bullshit it, and he's right, honestly. I'm just gonna take at least 1 set mixed, train the grip. I just don't want to tear a hand, and then also I'm just fucking tired after that shit as well. So we'll do some mix sets, then probably do some straps after. We'll see.
No matter how fast it is, 505, 722. I think the best pull that I had to date was that 600 really fucking good. Like that day I could pull like 700.
Dude, that might have been the most painful set of 4 I've ever done. The shit hurts so bad.
God damn.
Felt like I was about to break the body with 595, man. Holy shit.
The chopper came with a...
Yeah, it's literally textbook, dude. I don't know what you're talking about.
Man, I be nitpicking for real.
That's how powerlifters be.
You have accessories? Yeah, but Joey told me to get them. I'll buy it.
All right, so we finished the workout, dropped everyone off. Bro, like, driving through Houston, man, we've been driving for what, like an hour and a half or some shit? Take everything together, shit's fucked up. Yeah, so I just dropped Jeb back off at it. Look at this beautiful fucking view. Just dropped Jeb back off at his car. He's leaving now. And he insulted my car after I drove him back to his, so he's a bad person. But yeah, we're gonna probably wrap up the YouTube video here, guys. If you guys enjoyed, I like doing like what?
Fuck your car.
Fuck you. Sick of this shit. But stop, got the mandatory Smoothie King. We're gonna wrap up the video right here, y'all. If y'all appreciate, or if y'all like the video, appreciate you guys tuning in. If you guys want me to keep touring different gyms or keep checking out different spots so we get to change the scenery up a bit aside from just being at Corrupted all the time, let me know. And that's pretty much it. That's all I got. It is. Yeah, dude, a black rental car, it's gonna absorb all that heat. But yeah, pretty much it. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.